Guys, what is up? So today we are going to be continuing our palette journey using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina Volume 1 Pro Pigment Palette. So if you'd like to see how I got this funky fun look, then just stay tuned. All right, so I'm starting out by taking a little bit of E5. Gonna try to not blind you guys here with the mirror. A little bit of E5 mixed with D3. And that's just gonna go on the outer portion of the eye here. And then I'm going to take E4 right here and start kind of blowing that out. And this is also going to drop down and connect with our blush, which is the Benefit Krista blush. Okay, so now I'm taking D2, which is a really pretty blue, and it's like got some purple pinkish flakes of like shimmer in there. It's really, really pretty. Okay, so now I'm just taking Half Magic Beauty's Chrome Addiction Eye Paint Plus Liner in the shade Off the Deep End, and I'm just going to create some weirdness. I don't know a better way to describe what I'm doing. So I'm just going to kind of like smudge it all in here. No rhyme, no reason. Just going to kind of follow this shape up here, like above the crease area. And then we're going to bring it on around, just following the shape of my eye. Putting some of them down low, and then we're going to take some of it out here, and then some of it down here as well. And then we are going to take this Perfusion Jurassic World collaboration. This is a duochrome eyeshadow in the shade Baryonyx. I'm just going to do the same exact thing. Okay, so now I'm just taking some glitter by Eye Candy. This is in the shade Tangerine Twist. Just placing this at the front of the brow, as well as down here some glitter tears. Now I'm just gonna apply some rhinestones, and then we will do our lashes. Okay, so now that I have all those little rhinestones on my eye, I am now going to do my lashes, and we're going to be using the Trace Chic Cosmetics lashes in the shade Storm, and they are really, really pretty, and they just match this look so well. So let's apply a little thin layer of lash glue and go ahead and apply those lashes. And here is the final look using the Norvina Anastasia Beverly Hills Volume 1 Pro Pigment Palette. Very funky, very fun, not for everyone. Thank you guys so much. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this. Subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.